Naveen. How are you here?
Hey, Pratap. The bride is my uncle's daughter. Don't you know? You both work in the same company, right?
Yeah. We are in the same department too. We met after a long, buddy.
Yeah, I went to Calcutta just after our matriculation.
And forgot your friends?
No, not really like that. I didn't have your contact number. And after my mother's death we went abroad.
Oh. I am sorry to hear that. Then, how did you know about my work?
Rekha, your colleague, told us everything about everyone. You know she is so talkative.
Really? I am so happy seeing you after so many years. When is the plan of your return?
Just after the marriage ceremony. Next Monday. Okay, let's go and take care of the guests.
Yeah, they must have arrived. Let's go.